Video today we have some Milwaukee deals, M18, M12. Big shout out to Josh, my man. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So yeah, we got several different ones. So we got M12 fuel, 12 volt lithium brushless stubby, 3/8 impact wrench, 3/8 ratchet die grinder, 3-tool combo kit for $379. It's definitely a great deal. You are saving quite a bit of money here. These tools by themselves, they're really expensive. So definitely check it out if you're in the need. Some mechanics tools, some shop tools. Definitely check this deal out. I'll see if I can leave the link down below on the description section of this video for all these deals. Alright, the next one that we have is that we got the M18 Fuel Gen 2 18 volt lithium coreless brushless saw reciprocating saw with the deep cut bandsaw for $379. Definitely check it out. You're saving over 100 or just about 150 bucks or $149 in savings there. Definitely check it out. This is a great saw. This is pretty much, these are great professional level tools, and you're saving quite a bit of money here. So definitely check it out. The next deal that we have is this. This is the stubby. This is the fuel 12 volt lithium brushless cordless stubby 3/8 impact wrench ratchet kit to only $319 on this one. Definitely check it out. This is the fuel, so we know that the new ones just came out, but this is still a great ratchet. This is still solid ratchet. I've used this before. My brother has a handful of these tools, so we use those. And yeah, this thing's a beast. Yeah, there's nothing can describe this thing. So for about $150 something, definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.